Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, someone asked me a question that ma'am, is there any way to learn this language without any effort, without taking any struggle? Because I want to learn this language automatically. How to come this language us automatically? So friends, your question is just like foolish, because have you ever seen a movie like PK, and in that movie the Amir Khan was an alien and he wanted to learn this language, so he learned language just by touching a human being, okay, and he learned all the language automatically in 1 second. So do you like a alien? No, we are not. Actually, we are like a simple human, human being. We are not any Superman or Superwoman. We have not any superpower. So friends, we can learn this language by giving our effort, by doing practice each and every day. There is no any simple way to learn this language without any effort, without taking any struggle. You have to give your effort for learning this language. You have to do practice each and every day, and without doing practice, without taking any, without giving any effort, you can't learn this language. Not only this language, you can't learn any skill. Okay, so if you want to learn this language automatically, you don't want to give any effort, so please forget this language. Okay, there is no any simple rule that English will come to you automatically. Okay, because you are not blessed, you are not just like a native speaker. The native speaker are those who are born in that language, who are brought up in that language. But friend, we are not. Okay, we have our own mother tongue and we are blessed with our mother tongue. We are not blessed in English language, so we have to learn this language for giving by giving our consistency, for giving our effort. Without giving your effort, without doing practice, you can't achieve your goal, like English fluency goal you can't achieve. Okay, so just forget this language if you want to learn this language without any effort. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to tell you a motivational story, because what is the matter. The matter is motivation, because English learning process is, it's not a whole night process, it's a long process, and for this learning journey we have to keep motivate ourselves. So in today's video I am going to tell you a motivational story, and this story is not a fake story, it's very true story, and it's depend on a student life, how he can achieve, he could achieve his goal, because he was very weak in study. So in today's video I'm going to tell you a motivational story which will help you to enhance your motivation power. You can easily learn this language, you feel enthusiastic to learn this language. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay, so without any delay, let's get into the story. So the story goes like this. In ancient times in India, children were sent to Gurukul in study. Students used to stay there in study and do duties like cleaning the Gurukul, watering the plants and cooking the food, etc. in the Gurukul. Just like that, there was a Gurukul near the forest and away from the town, where hundreds of students used to get education under the guidance of their master. Once a boy also sent Gurukul to study. Soon he got friendly with the other students in Gurukul, but he was very weak in studies. He would do daily duties diligently, but anything that master taught him was poorly understood by him, and for this reason he was often ridiculed by the other students. At year end, all his classmates were promoted to the next class, but he could not make it. Master tried to teach him by every possible method, but the boy would not understand. Finally, the master said, "Boy, I have tried everything and made all effort to help you, but still you can't understand anything. Perhaps education is not in your destiny, so it is better to you go to home and help your family with their household work. I also thought that perhaps studies is not something that he can do, and with heavy heart he left for his home. Summer season was on its peak and it was afternoon time. The boy was walking to the our home, and it's afternoon time. He was just walking and thinking something by walking. While walking, he was passing nearby a place and he started thirsty. So he went around looking for some water. Looking around, he found that a well. Some women were filling water from that well. He got near the well, and when he got near the well, he got some marks on a solid stone kept nearby, which were used under the rope to draw water from the well. He asked the woman, "How did you make this mark on this stone?" The woman replied, "We did not make this mark. It is there because of this soft rope, which is repeatedly used while drawing water from the well. Repeated use from rope makes such mark on this stone." Listening to this, the boy got thinking. He pondered that when a repeated movement from a soft rope can make a deep marks on a solid stone, then why can't he learn with constant practice? He was inspired by this incident. He went back to Gurukul with a lot of enthusiasm and started studying tirelessly. Master was very happy to seeing him working hard and cooperated him fully. After a few years, this boy became renowned by name of Achar Vardhanath, who was a great scholar of Sanskrit grammar. He composed so many great Sanskrit books like Madhya Siddhant Kaumudi, Laghu Siddhant Kaumudi, Sar Siddhant Kaumudi. Okay. Even after hundreds of years, these grammar books have been remain unmatched. Story. If we see in our life, we will find that it is very important to work hard to be successful in life. Practice is very important, whether it is in sports or yoga or studies, okay, or anything goal that you want to achieve. One cannot success without practice. Along with practice, determination is also very important. If you want to be successful any field, then you will be do practice, okay. So in this story we will find that earlier that child was very weak in study and he did not understand, but with the determination and tireless practice he became a great scholar. This happened only because of his practice with perseverance. Through this story, I want to send you a message. All the students, all the people who want to learn this language, I want to tell that you must win two qualities in your life: strong determination and tireless practice. Okay, history is all the story of successful people who had adopted these two qualities in their life. All the big scholars or scientists or other great people who make their name in history, okay, they have two qualities. They had two qualities, like great determination and tireless practice. So therefore, if you also want to reach the height of greatness of your life, then start working hard from today with determination, because by patience or hard work and perseverance practice you can get anything in your life, okay. And there is no any shortcut formula that you have adopted for learning this language, okay. You have to give your 100% effort. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.